this video, we're going to set up our LinkedIn ad integration. While you're in the dashboard, navigate to Integrations and click Add Integration. Search for the LinkedIn Ads integration and click Setup. If you already have given permissions like I have, then you go right away to this screen. Otherwise, you have to give some permissions. Here you select your ad account and click Next. In this step, we're going to map our conversion names. You can create a new one, or as I have, I can check the one I already made. For the qualified lead and for the converted winning leads. Click Next. Here you can give it an internal name. We have some advanced settings. We use by default enhanced conversions for leads. And if you already had qualified some leads, you can backfill the existing leads. For now, I'm going to complete the setup. Here you can see it's active. Thank you for watching.